If you're a health professional with a website, are you ignoring this one simple rule that could get you in trouble? Hi, my name is Margie Geiser, President of Meg Enterprises, and today I'd like to address the requirements all health professionals must have on their website in order to be compliant with HIPAA privacy laws. Now, most dietitians and nutritionists that I hear from worry about email and how they can work with clients virtually. But too few have considered a simple rule that can put them in trouble. Now, there are two rules related to this you should be aware of, which apply to your websites. The first is your Notice of Privacy Practices. This is actually different than your privacy policy and terms and conditions that are standard on every website, and if you don't have that, you should. This is specific, though, to client privacy and security of their personal health information, or PHI. Now, what should be included in this notice? That includes how you may use and disclose their PHI, the individual's rights with respect to the PHI, how to exercise those rights, as well as how to complain to your business. It should also include your legal duties with respect to the information, including a statement that you're required by law to maintain the privacy of PHI, and who they can contact for further information regarding your privacy policies. Now, this notice must also have an effective date. Now, the Health and Human Services has a model, and I've included that link on the page. Now, it's important to point out that the first time a potential client contacts you, that in your reply you send them a copy of this notice and just request confirmation that they received it. An email is fine. The second rule regarding your website, it may seem insignificant, but it's not. Your notice should be available easily from your website. But here are some red flags that could result in disciplinary action from HHS. First, you have no notice posted at all. Is that you? Or, you've indicated that your Notice of Privacy Practices are available upon request. Another red flag is your notice is out of date. Remember, laws change often. Or your notice isn't prominent. Now, this is really vague, so you have to decide, but most of the time, if it's available on your website, at least down at the bottom where your other privacy policies are, you should be fine. And then finally, the content in the notice is not correct, and that has a lot to do with being outdated. Don't let such a small detail derail your business. By just adding your Notice of Privacy policy on your site, you can rest assured that you're now in compliance with at least one HIPAA rule. Now, watch some of my upcoming videos to learn more about how you can protect yourself online under HIPAA. My name is Margie Geiser, and thank you for listening.